Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Jupyter Notebook in your desktop. So there are two ways through which you can get Jupyter Notebook. One is a simple way in which you have to install Jupyter Notebook by pip command, and the second way is through downloading and installing Anaconda. So first we'll try with the pip method, which is easier one. If you face any issues or problems with the pip command, then you can go with the Anaconda method. So for the pip method, just simply type pip install Jupyter. Just simply run this command and it will install Jupyter Notebook. Now once that is done, you can type Jupyter Notebook and you can see my Jupyter Notebook has been installed and I can directly open it. So all my files are present here. I can create a new folder here. I can also create a new IPYNB file here. If I click on refresh, you can see untitled IPYNB, and I can even run my Python commands here. See help. Now again, once I type this Jupyter Notebook over here, you might face any error like this command is not found, etc. So in that case, you just have to press Windows Run, and then here you can type app data, and in the local you have to search for programs, and then here Python 312, and then over here you can go to scripts, and then here you have to create a new file, text document. Then in this text document you have to paste this, and then you can click on save as, and in the Python script we'll save it as jupyter.bat. And then if you try again, then your command will start working. And even if you are still facing these issues, you can then go to our next method. So simply search for Anaconda. So simply go to the Anaconda official website. Then here you can click on free download, skip registration, and then we can install the Windows version. Make sure you have the Python version 3.12. And once this setup is installed, just simply click on next, and then our Jupyter Notebook command will start working. So this is how you can get Jupyter Notebook in your Windows laptop. So thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.